When you are people pleasing, you want everyone to like you. You are scared of being rejected. You fear being judged. You're scared of saying no because what if people don't accept you? So you end up saying things you don't really mean. You end up doing things that you otherwise wouldn't do just to get the approval of the people around you. And what happens when you continue to do this? You start showing up so much for others that you slowly stop showing up for yourself. Over time, this damages your self-worth because as you keep prioritizing someone else's comfort more than your own truth, you're sending yourself an invisible message. I don't matter as much as they do. I'm not my priority. I'm not important. They are more important than I am. Today, we are going to start changing that. We're going to do an EFT session together. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. It's very simple. What we do in EFT is basically we tap on different points of the body and we say certain statements aloud. Why this works? So these points that we tap on are the same points that sit in the same meridians as acupuncture. So when we tap, this sends a signal to our nervous system to calm us down. In this calm state, it's very easy to release old patterns and step into new beliefs for yourself. So let's get right into this. All you need to do is follow along. This is going to be very simple and you will feel a shift by the end of this session. If you're new here, hit subscribe. Every Sunday, I put out videos and practices that help you become more happy, more successful, and more you. Let's begin. Take 2 fingers and tap on the side of your palm. This is your karate chop point. Before we bring in any new beliefs, we will first let go of what we don't want, and this is where we do that. So repeat after me. Even though I have been seeking approval from others, I choose to love and accept myself completely. I cannot be the nice person in everyone's story, and that's okay. I allow myself to be comfortable being disliked. You did so amazing. Wasn't that simple? Now we'll get into the tapping sequence. Take 2 fingers, tap on each point and repeat after me. It's going to be very simple, just follow along. Start on the top of your head. I am enough exactly as I am. I am worthy of love and respect just by being me. Under the eye, my needs and opinions matter. I give myself permission to take up space. Below your nose, upper lip, I release the need for everyone's approval. Other people's opinion does not define me. Chin, I trust myself. My opinion of myself is what matters the most. Behind the ear, I say what I mean with kindness and confidence. I choose myself every single day. Under the armpit, my worth is not decided by how much I give. I am loved for who I am and not what I do for others. Wrist, I am confident. I am grounded. I am free. I am proud of who I am becoming. The karate chop point, I deeply love and accept myself for who I am. I am enough and I've always been enough. Take a slow breath in and let it go. You just did something amazing for yourself, and I want you to keep doing it. I highly recommend you do this session every day, either as soon as you wake up to set the tone for your day or right before you sleep. Any of these timings works. This is a very, very powerful session. The more you come back to this, the more your mind starts to believe it. You are literally rewiring your brain one session at a time. You deserve to feel this free every single day, not just one day. Drop a comment, tell me how you feel. I love reading your comments. Share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe to my channel if you want more such videos. I will see you next Sunday. Above your nose, below your nose, upper lip,